Hey guys, good morning. Today I received a message from my cousin who are now in Sydney, and they said they will not be able to come here in Port Stephen, here in Nelson Bay, because they are now going to New Zealand. Taking those away, doesn't love to make. Finding it's too late that they've lost it. Never letting go. Never know the ways of love. You know what? This is the car of my colleague. He lives in this area. I don't know which of this house. Yeah. But this is in a really nice place. With this view. Amazing, mate. Ocean deep, I'm so afraid to show my feeling. I have sailed a million sailings, solitarily, ocean deep. But I was in the night, please don't leave me behind. I know that I hide a little of now I know we can have it all forever. It's not afraid to give life. You know, there are so many home for the aged here. This one is home for the aged here in Port Stephen. Yeah, I am thinking already that I'll be ending up in a place like this. I don't know, I think it's okay, I think it's good. Yeah. You know, mate. I don't know, mate. Yeah, I know life is lonely being alone. But what to do, mate? Nobody likes me. Nobody wants to fall in love with me. Yeah. They should make an effort to meet me, to see me, to love me. Yeah. No, I'm joking, right? We will come to that point. Not these days. These days this time I still feel young and still feeling that I still need to do things, a lot of things, and explore new things, new places. Yeah, things like that. And you know, to be with a family, to have my own family is not in my mind. I may be old already, but that's what I feel, mate. Yeah, I'm not emotionally ready for any family life, relationship, things like that. I don't know. If it comes, then it is, and it will be good. But to be honest, it's sad being like this these days. Anyway, yeah, today we are going again to Salamander Shopping Center. I don't know, this is like my routine during day off, because that's one of the things that enjoys me. Yeah, these cars are for sale. You know that these times a lot. For sale, how much? This one is 8,250. I don't know that. Yeah, some of these are emergency car. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. I may be going to McDonald's later. Yeah, to have a coffee. To have a breakfast. I already had a coffee at home, but I didn't finish it because I get out of the house because I feel the energy of making vlog. But first, we're going inside the Salamander Bay Square, and we're going to Kmart. Look at this bike. Yeah, it's still early, not yet 9 o'clock, so most of the shops are still closed, but the groceries are already open. Coles, Woolworth. Yeah, I don't know about the Kmart, but maybe they are open. Oh, Aldi is also open already. Yeah, man, sale. Look at this. Waxing for men, eyebrows $12, upper lip $8. Never experienced that things. We go there later. We'll have a look first in the the weekly special of Aldi. Yeah, and it's always in here. They also have this online. Yeah, this is the weekly special they have. This cutting machine is $49. Yeah. Yeah, we are right now in Kmart. And they changed the setup of everything here. Yeah, these are the household kitchen items. These things. Office items. These things. Yeah. And I'm actually going to buy a monopod. I don't know, the holder for the camera to become for selfie. Yeah, because I lost my one. I don't know where. In Sydney, I think, when I went there. Look at this lampshade. $10, $15, $20. Yeah, this is the one that I'm going to take. Yeah, how many tripod I have already? Maybe 4. Yeah, but I need this, so I'm going to take it. It's $8. Whenever I come here, I always come to this section, and maybe I'm going to find something that is fit on me. Yeah, but most of these clothes are big. Even the extra small are big for me. Yeah, like this one. This one is extra small, but still not fit. Yeah, they are big. Their size is for the white people, not for me. Just like this one. This one is small, but yeah, this is extra small. But look at this. Yeah, still long for me. So that's why I put the cashier in the middle. Before it was in this side. Yeah, winter is coming very soon, so they are selling this fan heater, and it's $15. Yeah. Actually, I don't need. I'll be just going to wear a triple layer of clothes, maybe. Nice, the Donut King is open again. Donut King is my favorite coffee shop here. They are like Dunkin' Donuts, Mr. Donut. Yeah, good to know. This is a vending machine for the movie CD, DVD. Yeah, or Blu-ray. Yeah, because pirated CDs, DVDs, a big no here in Australia. So they still have that. And even in the in the shop, there are some shops that are renting and selling DVD. So this is basically the return and earn booth, where people can return the bottles. They use bottles, and they get money from returning it. And it is 10 cents per bottle. And you're actually going to see that 10 cents from the bottles. It is printed in the bottle. So yeah, it's a nice thing. I'm hungry. Yeah, I came here, but they are still closed. They have sausage, like a Jollibee sauce hot dog. Yeah, and I don't want to eat in KFC because they have just chicken. I don't want to McDonald's because they have just burger. I am thinking of going to this Oak Pacific Blue Hotel because they have a breakfast buffet. I don't know how much, because last time when I stayed there, they gave me free breakfast. Yeah, they gave me because they checked me in very late. Like I wait for 2 hours just to get to the hotel room. Yeah, so because of that, they gave me a free breakfast. Nice. And yeah, I'm thinking of going, but the time now is almost 10 o'clock, so maybe the breakfast is finished. There is a gym here, $12.99 per week. I end up eating here in this Oak Pacific Blue Hotel. It's amazing. Look at this. So yeah, those are the hotel room, apartment. This swimming pool is surrounded all over to the other side. So this is really a big swimming pool. I stayed here last time when I finished my first week of stay in the backpacker hostel in Samurai Beach. Yeah, and I stayed here for 1 day, 1 night, and then my new apartment. Yeah, this place is nice. Yeah, but this time I've noticed that their breakfast menu is not the best. I would say that the one that we have in our hotel is much better. Sometimes during the breakfast, the manager come to me and told me that there are some guests telling me that they have the best bacon ever. And I was thinking that bacon, they're just all the same, but to be actually it is not. It is how you cook it. This is good if there is rice also, but they don't have rice. I sometimes cook rice in the breakfast in our hotel, and it's nice. So this is the second set. I have something like this at home, oatmeal, but I don't really like. I still prepare the rice. Yeah, but sometimes when I'm really hungry, especially at night, I eat that. This for me is like a snack, not really a breakfast for me. Yeah, mate, a lot of people this time in the park. Yeah, and yeah, they put some that one. And like I've shown to you before, there is a nude kayak here. Yeah, and I want to try. It's $25 per 30 minutes. I was about to speak to the owner, but yeah, I don't like the heat of the sun. Yeah, so maybe next time. Yeah, next time. Sorry. Thank you. Afternoon, sir. Good. Afternoon. Also, a lot of people are walking here. Afternoon, sir. Afternoon. Has found another, and as I quiet myself to sleep, I know this love of mine I'll keep ocean deep.